Look, look what the hot body can do.
For breakfast and
Look, focus.
happy Saturday, beautiful people. What's going on? So, in my last vlog, I did mention that I may go out of town, and today's the day. I'm heading to Ocho Rios right now with my friends for one of his uncle's celebration. He's what, 70, 80? I don't know. When I get down there, I will be reminded of what age he is. But he looks good for his age. He's hearty. And yeah, we're all gonna go down and have a fun time. So the reason why I'm in my sunglasses right now is because your girl, something is wrong with it. I think bacteria got, well, Google said that it's a sty. So basically, like, have a small bump on my eyelid. From yesterday morning, I woke up and my eye looked a little bit swollen, and then this morning when I woke up, it like huge, and then it went down, but there's a pulp on it, like a little pimple. So Google says it's probably like a sty or something, and it may have to do with like bacteria. I don't know how bacteria got into my eyes. I guess my hands weren't clean, but to be honest, I'm really thinking it's because of my makeup and my brushes. They need to be washed, and just like everything needs to be changed. But I did change my foundation the other day, but like everything else is just like old, and I don't know, for some feeling I thinking it's the makeup or the makeup tools that I'm using, which like I said needs to be washed. So, or it's my hands, but whatever the thing is, yeah. So I'm gonna go, actually I'm waiting for a pickup, but I'm gonna put like a warm compress on my eye right now before I head out. I am praying and hoping it goes. Google said it can go away on its own within a week, or possibly I go to the doctor. So I'm gonna watch it probably like Monday, Tuesday to see how it looks, and then if anything, we're gonna head out. But regardless of that, I am gonna head out same way. I'm gonna have fun. We're only going down there just for tonight. We're coming up back Sunday. And yeah, we're just gonna have like food, drinks, whatever the case is. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do any water activities. You should probably figure out what I'm talking about. But I still brought my swimsuit, like a top and dress swimsuit tee, but we won't be able to indulge in any water. But yeah, to the quick fix, I'm just wearing t-shirt and a tights. And yeah, but for all today, this is what I'm wearing. My God, I don't even know. I want to show you guys my eye, but you can see it's quite a bit swollen, and if you look closely you can see the pulp. So when I was doing my skincare this morning, I just went around. I did not touch this area at all. So yeah, I don't know if you can definitely see something is wrong with me. Anyways, we're hoping we're all well. Also, I did bring sheets, my own sheets and towels. I'm just gonna use everything. I want to ensure that whatever it is, it's clean that I'm using. So I brought my own sheets, towels, rags, so all the necessities. All right, I'm gonna head on to quickly use the bathroom before my ride gets here, and I'll see you guys once I'm on the road. Hey guys, so we are just at the Airbnb place, and I did not get to speak to you guys because it was so busy and everything, but it's literally 15 minutes to 12 a.m. in the morning, and we're gonna get dressed and head out. But today was a good day. We had chicken, fish,
all of that nonsense. But I'm gonna get dressed right now, and then once I'm finished ready, I'm gonna show you guys the fit. I'm gonna try to show you guys this place that we're staying. It's very cozy and nice. It's near, we're on the St. Mary side, basically. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready, and once I'm done, I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey, so we had a full day today. We're actually we're at the place that we're stayed. I think I'll show you guys a few clips and everything. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, nice apartment. Well, relatively nice, but it's clean. That's all that matters. But anyways, we are heading out, so I'm gonna get dressed right now. I'm like semi-dress. Let me see. I'm like semi-dress. Yeah, we're gonna go to 1212 Lounge, and you guys see my eye? It's literally swollen. So obviously, I'm not gonna wear any makeup. I'm just gonna do my skincare, put on a line of lip gloss. I'm gonna straighten my hair as much as I can, and yeah, that's it. So let me hurry up and get ready. The food was good today. We all had a good time and stuff. I basically just want to finish my hair. I think everybody should be ready at this point, so just gonna hurry up and get ready. Alright guys, so this is a full face. You guys have seen this dress many a times. Just something very simple. I think this is a Shein dress with an open bag, no makeup of course, only have lip gloss. I left my eyebrow gel, so the eyebrows is natural. So literally everything is natural tonight. But yeah, feeling good, looking good. I'm a little bit bloated because of that time of the month. But yeah, I look good, I feel good. So let's head out to clubbing in Ocho Rios. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So, you see how my eyes looking? Let me put on my glasses. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower and get dressed. We're gonna go by the main house for breakfast, and I'll show you all the view already. It's so pretty. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready because I got 20 minutes basically. Okay, so I'm just having my tea. We are gonna be heading out right now down to the house. And yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm there. Not sure what's for breakfast, but I'm ready. I'm hungry. So I'll see you guys once I'm down at the other apartments where, yeah, where everybody else is. This view is so amazing. Like, wow. Can you imagine waking up with this view? Hey y'all, so I'm back in Kingston, just coming from my mom's house and picked up some stewed peas with white rice. Yay! Yeah, I only eat this on occasions. Yeah, so I'm having white rice and stew peas today, so no more stew peas for the rest of July. But it was a pretty good time we had in Ocho Rios. I'm just gonna head home. Oh shoot, I need to buy gas. Let me 247. Let me just pull up and buy gas here. Yeah, I'm just gonna head home, shower, do all of that nonsense. Yeah, chat to you guys later.